Our letter this week is letter F, and F makes the sound. So when we are forming capital F is a tall flower with two straight petals. So you make a straight line down, pick up your pencil, add a line at the top and a line in the middle. And then lowercase f, this little flower grows tall and hangs a little. So you're going to make sure they make a little hanging flower at the top and go straight down, and then add a petal right in the middle. So homework for letter F, make sure they choose an option for capital F and an option for lowercase f, or if they have their own activity in mind, that's fine too. Let's send a picture of them doing it to me through Dojo. So our options for letter F, they can make foil Fs. Then they can do, they can find letter F, or just to make it a little bit more challenging, since we're at the point in the year where a lot of them are going to be able to do this, they can find items that start with F. So if you're just finding letter F, it can be on anything in the room that you're in, or if you want to write it on a sticky note and hide those, that's fine too. Otherwise, you can go around your house and maybe you see a toy fish. You could say, all right, does fish start with F? And maybe you just make a pile of it. And then maybe you see a basketball, and then you can say, does basketball start with F? Nope, so we won't put that one in our pile. So they can either find letter F, or just to make it a little bit challenging, they can find items that start with letter F. Then they can do fish F. So just use goldfish, and they can form capital F or lowercase f. Make sure they do it a few times. And then the last option is always our handwriting page.